Good evening, Sanchita. Welcome, Anshika. Hey, Vivian. Hi, Prasha. Hi, Archie. Hey, Samyak. Hello, Kian. Prisha, Archie, and Samyak, turn on your cameras, please. And quickly type in the chat box from which school and city you all are joining us. As you all can see that you all are on mute in demo class, but in upcoming session, you will be able to interact with your mentor freely. Okay, so this setting is just meant for today. I have pasted few links, so I want all of you to open your chat section. Wherein first link is of syllabus link, in which you'll get an idea like which are topics we will be going to cover in your particular course. Okay. I hope everybody has opened their links in the chat section. So the next link is for payment link. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can still complete your payment process and you can join this course. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. For that, you just need to fill up this feedback form and we'll get it. In case you have any further queries, feel free to email us at in case you have any further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So you can get to know in detail about this particular batch. For that, you just need to click on this all batch detail link. So with this, let me present my screen and share my presentation with you all. So I welcome all of you once again at the platform of Olympiad Success, wherein we all are gathered over here for grade 5 demo. So, Olympiad Success is India's largest patient platform, wherein we do offer program named School Plus program. So in that we cover subjects mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. So we do offer more preparation classes, which is related to the International Mathematics Olympiad. So if you have enrolled yourself for SESMO, SEMO, HKM, TIM, or Maths Count, so you can reach out for the classes. So we do offer online preparation classes for CBSE, ICSE, IGSE, IB classes, board. So these are our rank holders on the screen. So they are kids like you only. So you can also be the rank holder. For that, you just need to spare every day extra 2 hours from your regular studies. So what all you'll be going to get? You'll be going to get group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform by a seasoned tutor. So class days will be 3 days per week. Days will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Timing will be 5 p.m. till 6:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. So session will include mix of theory, practice questions, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. So you will be going to get reading material and papers, which will be available on the dashboard. Soon I'll be going to show you the same. So these all are the relevant links. No need to worry. Links have been pasted in the chat box. Will again be pasted. So first link is of syllabus link. You can check your syllabus on this particular link. Fees for this course is 10,038 rupees. It is 45 session course. Payment can be made by clicking on this link. So what all you need? You just need a laptop or desktop with good internet connection, a good headphones for better audio clarity, that you should not miss anything what your mentor will be going to teach you. So the live classes will be going to continue from April 16, 2026. So let me stop sharing my screen. Welcome, Ananya. Now let's go towards the dashboard. So what all you need to do, you just need to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com and you'll be directed towards this page. Okay. So after coming on this page, you will be going to click on login. Now you need to enter the email ID with which you have registered on this platform. Okay, so I am entering with one of our demo account as of now. So sign in. Now you can see the file details on the screen. In case you need any updation, you can do it over here. All right, so moving forward, click on online classes for your content. Click on course material. Select the subject and select the topic. So here you can see the reading material, question papers and answer keys. Schedule is there for your reference that in which session you're going to cover which particular topic. So you can see completion of after every topic, there is a test discussion day. In that test discussion, you will be going to have a mock test paper. Okay. That you'll get to know that whether you have understood what particular topic or not. In case of doubt, you can ask from your mentor. Okay. So in last, you can see the super classes. So in super classes, you will be going to have a previous year papers with which you will enhance your practice more. All right. So here is the holiday calendar for your reference that we have festival holidays, so you should not miss your classes. Here you come up with the reading material. So there are different sets. So I'll be going to show you just one set as of now for your reference. So you can see the content. Okay. So content is given in the detail that you should have an in-depth knowledge because obviously Olympiad's a little ahead from your regular studies. So here you come up with the question paper. So all the questions, then check your answers because the answers are also given parallelly for your reference. Here you come up with the answer key. All right. Here you can see the test series. So book my batch you need to do in case you have already enrolled. Our team member has already done it for you. So now coming up on a test series. So this is more practice for you. That is under section of practice test. Select your subject and click on take exam. So let me show you how you can attempt this worksheet. Read instructions. Tick this box. Click on start worksheet. Select the answers. Once you have done all the answers, click on finish button for the submission. So you can see the answers, which is correct and which is incorrect. Okay, so I have filled B, correct answer is A. Okay, so explanation is also been given what is the correct answer and why it is. Okay, so otherwise you can check your performance over here and test series and performance icon also. Yes, so that's pretty much about it. Now we are open for the question answers. So if anybody is having any doubt, need clarity related to Olympiad or course, feel free to ask your questions. Any doubt, anybody? Or everything is clear? Vyan, Mehran, Vishak, Kian, Atharv, Samya, Prisha, Archie, Anshika, Sanchita, Ananya, or you're excited to meet your mentor? Shall we begin then? Okay, so now let me invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Priyal Soni. She is a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging, very interesting. She has been taking Olympiad classes since so long. So I'm sure you'll be going to have a fun-filled session. So with this, over to you, Priyal ma'am.
Hello. Hi, all the students. How are you? Hello. Hi, Sayed, Sanchita, Ananya. How are you?
So you all can wave as you all are on mute, but you can wave,
Hi.
okay?
Hi, everyone. Vivian, Vishak, Mohammed, right? Anshika, Archie, Prisha, Samyak, Athar. Okay. Prisha, Samyak. Okay. So nice to meet you, students. How are you all? Are you enjoying? Your vacations are there, right? Tell me, how are your exams? They went well? Cool. Cool. Okay. So everybody now stepping forward into your new classes with new hopes, new beginnings, right? Anna? Very good, very good. Nice to hear you from you all. Atharva, Sanchita, Archie. Okay. Exams went well. Nice. So, beta, see, like apart from your exams, as you are quite aware, like Olympiads is really playing a major role, है ना, in our life, and that will be really giving you a national level certificate, right? Not only that, but actually our knowledge will increase, isn't it? Hmm? Right, Sanchita? Yeah, very good saying. Hmm. So results came, beta, results. Ananya, results came, beta. Vivian, Anshika results, Archie. Okay, let it be. Waiting for the results. अच्छा संचिता का आ गया है. अथर्व. अनन्या. Very nice. Cool. Nice to hear you. चलो. So, in this beautiful day, we are going to begin our session today, right? We are going to begin our session today, and that really be quite interesting, right? Why students? Because see, whenever we study something new, right? We should know like why we are studying all these things. What is the use? है ना सबसे पहली बात like everybody has a thing in their mind like why we are studying this session, why we are studying this topic. Oh, this is in our book, that is why we are studying this, isn't it? That's what the thing na. But actually see dear, not only of course this is caring, this content is, this topic is there in our books, but see what is there beta, like not only this topic is actually relevant to our general life, है ना? Whenever you study any topic, do one thing, like always think why we are studying this. Is there any use? Even like mathematics topics is also having very good usage in our general life, right? And really they are very interesting to understand, and they are really means general life. For example, this pen you are seeing, you are watching this pen, so this is also a geometry, right? They might have designed so that it could be having a proper grip, and this laptop in front of us, that is having a definite shape, right? So again geometry playing a major role here, है ना? Not only geometry, like by how much angle it should be tilted, है ना? So this is about maths. See, so it is also interesting. So, but science is very much more interesting than that, because see, science is scanning everything. Science is around us, from the tip of this pen to the fan which is revolving above you. That is all science, isn't it? And you see just around you, everywhere science, isn't it? So what you are seeing, can you tell me around you? Yes. Hmm. Okay. Yes, yes, Anshika. Tell me, what do you see around you, beta? Prisha, tell me, what do you see around you? Is there mama side who is watching you? Tell me, है ना? So mama might be present, papa might be present, yeah, your sister, brother, anybody can be there, right? So what we actually find, beta, like when we are talking about anything which we are looking around us is actually something that is known as matter. Okay, it is known as matter, right? So here our very interesting topic is matter and materials, states and its classification, है ना? Have a look, everyone. Like it is about matter. Matter means what, beta? And that is what we are going to see. And apart from that, we are going to observe like how it's really playing a major role in our life, how it is important, and how what it is made up of, and all these things we are going to observe in this session today. So let's see further. Just a minute. I hope you all are okay. Yeah. So first of all, देखो बेटा, whenever you see any topic, तो just start from its name only, है ना? Because the name is what matter. So we are going to say first what is matter, है ना? तो matter is what? Let's have a look. Everything. एक second. देना मुझे. Yeah. Okay. Yes, बेटा, एक second. I am resharing my screen to you. See, is it visible? Yeah. Yes, beta. So everything around us is matter. Air, water, food, or anything around us is matter, right? So what we are actually finding, like I told you, whatever you see around you, है ना, Mohammed, right? So just have a look, beta. You are finding pen, pencil, rubber, sharpener, है ना? That chair in which you are sitting, that table on in front of you, everything which is around us, na, is actually matter. What is it, beta? Matter. Whether it's air, whether it's water, food, and you yourself is matter. That is why I told you, like mama, your father, your sister, brother, everybody is matter. You know why? Because why we are saying them as matter? Anything that has mass and that takes up space, है ना? Why we are saying them as matter? Because they are having some mass. Now, mass is something different new word, beta. You might be observing here. And space means, yeah, they are occupying some place, है ना? So, for example, you are sitting in the chair. For example, let's say we are finding कि Prisha is sitting in her chair. So, like anybody other can sit in her chair, क्या? Vishak is sitting in his chair. So nobody else can sit on him, right? Isn't it? So of course, what we are finding, like why? Because you are occupying that space. So nobody can come in that thing. Okay, no? So we can say here, like anything which has mass and which is taking some space, that is actually known as matter, right? Anything which has mass and that has some space. Mass means some weight. Actually, see, beta, weight and mass, these are two different things you are going to observe in other classes. But mass is what? Mass is anything that amount that matter contained within the object, you know, that is known as mass. And space, why we are saying space? Because they are occupying certain volume, certain region. That is why we will say like that is known as matter. Okay, so just raise your hands if you have any doubts, right? Hmm. Chalo. Now matter is made up of what? Matter is made up of tiny particles. These balls are not chocolates. ठीक These are not chocolates. ठीक तो what they are then? They are actually they are actually particles, beta. When you are going to zoom, for example, this pen you are having, so you are going to zoom it more and more. Actually, our naked eyes really can't see what is inside, right? But we will say like these actually are made up of these small particles which we really can't see from our naked eyes. So from how we can observe them, we can observe them through microscope, है ना? Or we can say like these are however, whenever we talk about anything that is the smallest unit of the particle is actually known as cell. Okay, it is actually known as cell. And these cells, these many cells, when you are going to combine so many cells, so they together forms what, beta? Molecules. They together forms what? Molecules, है ना? So actually these molecules sometimes known to be as a particles, है ना? Too small, very small particles they are made up of. And that is what known as small cells, atoms. Very good. So, yes, Sancheta, atoms. Atoms we are going to say कि cells बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, या फिर atoms. The smallest unit of a body is known as atoms. ठीक है? So many atoms together combine to form molecules. These molecules are known as particles, which actually so many molecules and molecules they together combine to form matter. समझ में आया? They form matter. Understand? So that is what everybody get. What is matter? I'll ask you. I'll ask everyone. Archie, tell me what is matter, better. Hmm? Matter is something? Yes. Hmm. Yes, who will say then? Who will say? Fastly tell. Yes, Ananya. Say better. Yes, Ananya. What is matter? Hmm? Very good. And very good. Matter is something that has mass and occupies space. Yes, Vivian, say it better. Good. Yes, Vivian. I'm waiting. Matter is something that occupied space and mass. I will give chance to everyone. Don't worry. And I'll ask other questions. And we are having more topics. Good, Vivian. Good. Ananya, good. Very good. It is colorless. No, beta, not always. है ना, Mohammed? It is not always colorless because see, we can find there are many colored objects around us. ठीक है? अब देखो, whenever we talk about matter, so if you wanted to explain it more, तो actually this matter exists in three major forms, है ना? Yeah, we can say like there are three states of matter. What are three states of matter? First is solid, liquid, and another one is gas. So what do you mean by this state actually? See, state means what? That state is determined by how particles are arranged. Okay, how particles are arranged with each other. That is actually known as the state of the object. For example, when we talk about the solid, है ना, so you might have seen ice cubes, है ना, ice cubes. They are very much. They are in the form of solids, right? Very good. Yes, solid is liquid. gas and good. State is liquid, gas, and solid. Good. So solid is something when the particles they are very close to each other. Can you observe here? They are very close to each other. They are very close. And so they are tightly packed. When they are tightly packed, then we will say like this is actually a arrangement which is came to be known as solid. This is an arrangement of particles which is known as solids. Okay. Whenever we talk about liquids, so liquids are what beta? They are having some spacing between the molecules. So what these balls are, these are actually molecules या फिर particles. Okay. So what we find like these solid, they are tightly packed molecules. Their arrangement is very closer to each other. But when we talk about liquids, so that is somewhat away from each other. But when we talk about gas, so these molecules are having so much space between them that they can fly even. So that is what we will say about the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. ठीक है. Let's see further what are they. अब देखो how they are actually categorized. When we talk about the solids, है ना, when we talk about the solids, so these solids are what beta? uh, let me raise it. Yeah. So these solids are based upon their rigidity and structure. अब what are these new terms you are finding? Rigidity and structure. Rigidity means what beta? Hardness. है ना, how hard they are. And structure means their shape. है ना, what is their shape. ठीक है. So when we talk about the solids, so they are having a definite shape. है ना, they are having a definite shape and size also. For example, this pen, is it a solid or a liquid? It's a solid. है ना, why? Because it is having definite shape. If today you will find this pen in this shape, next day also same shape. है ना. So that is they are the four characteristics of the solid particles. That is, they are having a definite shape and size. Incompressible beta, they are incompressible. Incompressible means what? Like let's say you are going to squeeze this pen, so will it deform? है ना. It will not deform. Why? Because all the molecules, they does not have spacing between them. Can you see here? No spacing between them. So even if you are going to push them, so where they will go, right? So these molecules, they are very tightly packed. For example, this is the fist you are having. If you are going to press it more, so of course your fingers will break. Otherwise nothing more can happen, isn't it? है ना. So they are incompressible. They cannot be compressed, means they cannot be pushed further. And structure, see, because particles, they are very very closer to each other, है ना बेटा. These particles are very very closer to each other. Therefore they cannot move even. For example, these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 balls. They are there, right? So they are very very close to each other. But when we will say because they are very close to each other, so because of their closeness or tightness only, they are having a specific structure. Because these particles are having which position with a fixed position. What they are having? Fixed positions they are having. And also there could be many examples of the solid which are incompressible, definite shape, structure. For example, eyes, wood, laptop, mobile, and everything which we are observing around us, many things they are solids only. And a pen, pencil, rubber, sharpener, so many. Rubber to thoda sa like somewhat it is elastic only, but yes, you can talk about the other objects which are completely solids. Everybody get this? What is solid? Hmm? Are you all getting understanding, beta? Tell me, everybody. Cool. ठीक है. चलो, let's move further to the session. Talking about liquids, how can we define liquids? Again, the same characteristics, but now one more characteristic is added here, that is known as fluidity. What is it? Fluidity. है ना. तो based on the shape and size, we if you are going to categorize this liquid, so we will say देखो, they are having indefinite shape. What they are having? Indefinite shape. Indefinite shape, why we are saying beta? For example, you wanted to drink water. What you are in this summer season, what you all are doing? You are just pouring the water which is kept in the bottle in the fridge, and then you are pouring in the glass and then drinking, right? Or else drinking from the bottle only, है ना? So the bottles are also various shapes, various size. So what we are finding, like liquids actually take the shape of the container in which they are placed. For example, you wanted to make Maggie. So what you are going to do? You are going to pour water in the tumbler, right? So now water going to take the shape of the tumbler. है ना? If you wanted to drink water, so you are going to pour it in the glass. So the water will take the shape of the glass. है ना? So we are going to say like water will take, liquid will take the shape of the container in which they are placed. Understand? ठीक है? Then they are having a definite volume also. What do you mean by volume and fluidity? Two new terms we are finding, beta. देखो, volume means what? We know like every figure, everything which we are finding is actually occupying some space. है ना? What this space actually means that they are having some specific volume. For example, let's say you're talking about this mobile only. It is also having some length, some width, some breadth, some length. So we are finding like every object is like that. है ना? तो let's say you are talking about a cube, so it is having some length, width, breadth, height, है ना? Length, breadth, height it is having. Similarly, let's say you are talking about a ball, so this is a sphere. So a sphere is also have a definite shape, so that we are going to say like it is having some specific volume. So what is volume? Volume is the space actually occupied by the substance. So liquids are having definite volume beta. For example, let's say mama said you go beta, bring milk. So of course you will ask na how much milk mama, है ना? How much milk we has to bring? ठीक है? तो now she will say beta bring 1 liter. 1 liter she will say na, 1 liter or 2 liters, 3 liter, 4 liter, like that. Let's say now today you wanted to eat kheer, right? So now she will bring more milk, है ना? Like that. तो डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम ना, व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग दिस फिक्स्ड वैल्यू ना, कि आइदर 1, आइदर 2, आइदर 3, like that only you has to consider. So volume is something that is the space which is actually occupied by that particular substance. So they are having definite volume, like the solids are also having definite volume with them. ठीक है? Liquids are also having definite volume. Understand? है ना? Now the next parameter is what? Fluidity, है ना? Fluidity we are talking about. So particles, see what we are finding beta, these molecules they are not very much closer to each other, है ना? We will say like molecules have spacing between them. What we will say is spacing between them, because what we are going to find, like because these molecules are having a space, that means there is a gap. Can everybody see here? Gaps here, gaps here, so much gap there. So because gaps are there, of course the balls or the particles will roll over each other na. So because of this distancing, यानी spacing between the molecules, है ना, we will find like they can flow. अच्छा, talking about the solids beta, when we are going to talk about the solids, so their molecules are very much closer to each other. So one more term everybody should understand, like actually these molecules is having a force between them. What is that beta? That molecules is having a force of attraction between them. So that is very much higher in the case of solids, but in the case of liquids, this force of attraction is lesser compared to solids. ठीक है? Force of attraction is lesser, because of which what will happen, these molecules will try to separate with each other, right? They are going to move away from each other. ठीक है? So that is why we will say like these molecules are moving away from each other, and therefore we will say like they can flow, है ना? They can flow. Okay, wait. Mm-hmm. Advertisement is visible to you. Okay, okay. Mm, wait, so I think like I'll be sharing then it in the this thing only. Yeah. Now I think like everybody can see. ठीक है? तो देखो, fluidity means particles will slide over each other. What we will say, beta? Particles will slide over each other, and therefore we will say like fluidity is something in which the molecule will flow. समझ आ रहा है? Then let's see the next one. Hmm. We're talking about the gases. Hmm. Talking about the gases. So one more property we are going to have here is what? Expansion and diffusion. Now two other properties. Yeah, expansion and diffusion. So the first thing, like of course, gases does not have any definite shape, है ना? But they even they are not having any specific volume. ठीक है ना? तो for example, balloon you are taking, you are filling air, and the more air you are going to fill, the more expansion it will be having. ठीक है? तो we will say like gases have they does not have definite volume, but they have high compressibility. Why? Because let's say for example there is a room beta है ना, in which only two students are present, है ना? तो now teacher can fill more students in this room or not, क्योंकि दो ही स्टूडेंट है, राइट? तो that is what molecules are not more. So if you are going to compress it, let's say you are going to take a piston and you are going to compress it, like you are pushing it down, so these molecules will come closer and closer, somewhat more closer they will come. And but yeah, they cannot mix with each other. Why? Because they are having very less या फिर negligible force of attraction. नेग्लिजिबल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है, ठीक है? So these molecules have high compressibility, large empty spaces between these particles are present, therefore they can easily compress. And compress means they can be suppressed. And another thing, diffusion. Yes. For example, let's say you are going to take a perfume and you are going to spray it around you. So of course, you can feel the smell of it or not. No. So we are going to say like they can diffuse. Diffuse means mixing, mixing. They will mix with each other and spreads also very easily. So like air, helium, steam, they all are gases. समझ आया? ठीक है? So we has discussed a few properties of the solid, liquids and gas, which we have summarized here in this particular slide. So when we are going to talk about the differences of solids, liquids and gases, so based on these properties you can separate beta. ठीक है? तो the very first property is शेप, है ना? सॉलिड्स हैव डेफिनेट शेप, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस नो डेफिनेट शेप. ठीक है? वॉल्यूम हैव डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड्स आल्सो, लिक्विड्स आल्सो, बट गैसेस नो स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम. पार्टिकल्स टाइटली पैक्ड, लूजली एंड वेरी लूजली. ठीक है? मूवमेंट, दे वाइब्रेट. ठीक ठीक है, नोट दैट पॉइंट. like solids can vibrate in their fixed position, but liquids they can move around, they can move around. एंड गैस में तो फ्रीली ही मूव करते हैं. ठीक है? इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, दे हैव मॉडरेट एंड दे हैव वेरी वीक एंड नेग्लिजिबल फोर्स. मॉडरेट मतलब ना ज्यादा ना कम, बबल गम. ठीक है? ठीक है? So like it is somewhat a bit in the mid. Hmm? Then compressibility, solids almost incompressible, and liquids they are slightly compressible, and gases they are highly compressible. So you have to learn all these things based on these parameters. समझ आया? Then rigidity, solids are very rigid. ठीक है? Liquids are not rigid and gases also are not rigid. Density, solids have high density, they have moderate, and gases density मैं बताती हूँ. Density is what beta? Density is a parameter which defines the compactness of the molecules, like how much they are closer. ठीक है? So based on this compactness, like how much they are very much closer to each other or not. So see, solid molecules are very closer, so they have high density. And liquid molecules, they are not very much closer, so they have moderate density. And gases, they have very low density. Of course, solids cannot flow. And they can, liquids and gases can flow. तो note a point, liquids and gases together known as fluids बेटा. ठीक है, लिक्विड्स और गैसेस को साथ में क्या बोलते हैं, फ्लूइड्स. सो वंस एनीबडी कैन आस्क यू लाइक व्हाट आर फ्लूइड्स, सो फ्लूइड इज समथिंग व्हिच कैन फ्लो, है ना. एंड व्हाट आर फ्लूइड्स, लिक्विड्स एंड गैसेस बोथ आर फ्लूइड, बोथ कैन फ्लो ना, तो बोथ आर फ्लूइड्स. समझ आया. Solids diffusion is very slow. जैसे कि sugar, if you are going to take it in the tea, तो that in the normal cold water तो वो तो बहुत ही slow ही melt होगा, right? But in the case of liquids and gases, they that is gases तो very fast diffusion and liquids somewhat slow. ठीक है? Everybody get this one? चलो, let's see the next one. Huh? Okay, so I'll be asking you. A solid block cannot be compressed, but air in a tire can. Why? Who will answer? Yes, Archie, bolo. Yes. Pouring water changes its shape, but not its amount. Which property is this? Who will say? Who will say? I'm waiting. Hmm. Liquid. No, no, what the question is, Muhammad, just read it properly. Let's see. It has gas and space inside it. Air in a tire can. क्योंकि compressibility property we are talking with them. Let's check the answer. Gas particles have space between them. Solids do not have space. है ना? Very simple answer. Like gas particles. हाँ हाँ. Good. Yes, Sanchita. Correct, correct. Hmm. As a solid block is a solid that cannot be compressed, but हाँ तो that cannot be compressed. Why, beta? Because spacing is not there. है ना? Yes, Sanchita. Yes, yes, I had read your answer, beta. Base not only compressed, you can say like the spacing between the molecules you can define. Okay, compressibility is basically defined based on the spacing between the molecules. समझ आया? Hmm. See the next question. Pouring water changes its shape, but not its amount, because liquids has indefinite shape but definite volume. ठीक है? So these are the two properties which we can find the use of them, like why it is not changing its amount. Why? Because volume is fixed. ठीक है ना? Any doubts? चलो. So now next thing, let's have a look. What is matter made of? Now a big question, है ना. Matter we had seen कि चलो particles we had seen like it is made up of particles, है ना. तो we had seen like matter is can be segregated into two parts, pure substances and mixtures. ठीक है. Now pure substances can be further separated into two things, elements and compounds. ठीक है. Okay, बेटा. Elements and compounds. So let's see what are they. Hmm. Elements. When we will talk about elements, so again, ठीक है, ठीक है. No issue with संचिता, no issue. I get your point. ठीक है. देखो, एलिमेंट्स मीन्स प्योर सब्सटेंसेस, है ना? तो ऑफ कोर्स एलिमेंट्स आर अ पार्ट ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंसेस, है ना? तो वी कैन से लाइक मेड ऑफ ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ एटम. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस काइंड एक्चुअली मीन्स? तो वी आर टॉकिंग फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स से I will say, let's say any like you all have friends, right? Everybody might be having some friend, and you might all have some best friend, है ना? तो why we are making that best friend? Because that best friend is our type, isn't it? है ना? She or he is our type. That is why we are making him or her as our best friend. So that is of same kind, right? So we will say like when they are made up of only one kind of atom, na? One kind of atom, then such things are known as elements, and they cannot be broken down into simpler substances. ठीक है, सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस में ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. दैट मीन्स ऑफ कोर्स वी कांट ब्रेक इट फर्दर, लाइक गोल्ड, ऑक्सीजन, आयरन. तो वॉट एवर एलिमेंट्स यू आर फाइंडिंग ना बेटा, यू आर गोइंग टू सी लाइक पीरियोडिक टेबल. There is a periodic table which is an arrangement of all the elements actually. So you are going to find like so many elements in that. तो there could be nitrogen, oxygen, है ना, helium, neon. You might have heard about neon gas. You might have seen about iron, copper. Copper you might have heard, from which wires are made, है ना? Bronze, from which our Mesopotamian civilization culture, they are using, yes, they are using bronze and all. So such materials you might have heard, yeah, na? Yes, 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 good. So we will find like they are only single elements. Yeah, they are only single. हीलियम, नियोन. ब्रॉन्ज तो नहीं बेटा, ब्रॉन्ज नहीं कहना. कॉपर इट इज. ब्रॉन्ज इट्स अ अलॉय. डोंट कंसिडर इट एज एलिमेंट. ठीक है, ब्रॉन्ज नहीं होता है. तो मेड अप ऑफ ओनली वन काइंड ऑफ एटम, दे कैन नॉट बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस, है ना? लाइक वी कैन नॉट फर्दर ब्रेक इट डाउन, है ना? ब्रेकिंग डाउन का मीनिंग अभी कंपाउंड्स पढ़ेंगे तब ज्यादा समझ आएगा. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दैट. कंपाउंड्स क्या होता है ना? तो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू सी अबाउट कंपाउंड्स, so दे आर एक्चुअली जॉइंड केमिकली, है ना? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर फाइंडिंग हाइड्रोजन एज वन एलिमेंट. ठीक है ना बेटा? ऑक्सीजन एज वन एलिमेंट. ठीक है, तो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू कंबाइन बोथ ऑफ देम यू विल बी गेटिंग वाटर. वाटर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? H2O. ठीक है, वाटर हाउ वी राइट इज एक्चुअली H2O. तो टू और मोर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स व्हेन दे आर केमिकली जॉइंड टुगेदर, तो दे एक्चुअली फॉर्म्स व्हाट? दे एक्चुअली फॉर्म्स कंपाउंड्स. ठीक है, तो अच्छा एक बात देखो, वाटर में क्या है बेटा? टू थिंग्स, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. टू थिंग्स आर देयर ना. तो कैन वी सेपरेट H2O into two different things? हाइड्रोजन सेपरेट, ऑक्सीजन सेपरेट. तो हाइड्रोजन इज वन एलिमेंट, ऑक्सीजन इज वन एलिमेंट. तो कैन वी सी डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स, दे आर जॉइंड, है ना? So we will say like when two or more different elements they join with each other, then we will call them as compounds. ठीक है, and they are very hard to separate. They are really hard to separate. They will have a special process to separate. ठीक है, पूरा एक बड़ा फैक्ट्री लगाते हैं तब जाकर वो सेपरेट हो सकता है ना? मीन्स वी हैज टू, फैक्ट्री मीन्स केमिकल रिएक्शंस वी हैज टू परफॉर्म, देन एंड ओनली दे विल बी सेपरेटेड. ठीक है बेटा? तो क्रिएट्स, हाँ. अब एक बात और देखना बेटा, हाइड्रोजन इज हैविंग अ डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी, ऑक्सीजन इज हैविंग अ डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी, बट व्हेन दे विल कंबाइन एंड फॉर्म कंपाउंड, तो वाटर विल हैव अ डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टी. तो ऐसा हो जाता है. लाइक हाइड्रोजन अगर एज ए एलिमेंट देखे तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज एकदम अलग है. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना यार कि दो दोस्त मिलकर बहुत ज्यादा उधम करते हैं, या भाई जब मिल जाते हैं तो उधम ज्यादा होता है, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना मम्मी लोग. Right? Why they are saying it like that? क्योंकि one brother, if he will play separately, he will be normal, है ना? Another one, he will play, he will be also normal. But when they will combine, they will create a big मस्ती. धमाल होता है ना फिर तो, है ना? So that is what the compounds are actually. Hydrogen is having a different property, oxygen different, so water will be acting differently. ठीक है ना? Let's see the next thing that is known as mixtures. ठीक है, mixtures. What are mixtures actually? Elements, compounds, everybody get, I hope. Hmm? Anybody who has doubt, they can raise their hands better. Okay, it's just a demo session, so don't worry. Yeah, we have it. चलो मिक्सचर्स देखो फिजिकली कंबाइंड. फिजिकली मतलब सिंपल है. लेट्स से यू हैज एडेड शुगर वाटर, है ना. तो सिंपली यू हैज एडेड जस्ट कंबाइंड. ठीक है, यू हैज डिड नथिंग का मतलब है यू हैज नॉट गिवन टेम्परेचर, यू हैज नॉट इंक्रीज्ड एनी प्रेशर, एनीथिंग यू हैज नॉट डिड, है ना. तो when it is done, they simply mixing the things, so that is known as mixture. So physically combined. Let's say we can see like in this sand pebbles are there. So when these sand and pebbles they are simply added physically, है ना. हमने एक बाउल में sand लिया और उस पे pebbles डाल दिए, तो simply add ना, तो physically mix. But let's say बेटा you are making water, तो you need so much temperature, pressure, many things you require. ठीक है. Sometimes there are many other things like catalyzer, है ना, to speed up the reaction. Sometimes we need to add other substance. We need to increase the pressure, temperature, many more things we need to do, require a chemical reaction. ठीक है. So they are not joined chemically. They are easy to separate. Of course, pebbles we can pick one after the other, and then our only sand will be remaining one side, pebbles will be remaining other side. Or we can uh, use a chhanni also, right, to do that sieve, है ना. So that we can remove the sand from that. So sand is still gritty, so we can the thing. अच्छा एक बात और देखा, when you are going to remove, so again their properties will not change better. Their properties will remain the same. Pebble will be pebble only, sand will be sand only. ठीक है ना. So three important points about mixtures. So here let's summarize them. What are they actually? Comparison between compound and mixture. So don't get confused better. Like compound are made up of elements which are chemically joined. Chemically joined मतलब होता है बेटा हीट करके ज्वाइन करना. ठीक है, हीट करके ज्वाइन कर देना. जैसे कि लेट्स से बेटा यू आर मेकिंग मैगी. ठीक है. तो once it is cooked, so you are adding flavors and all, masala, so much thing. So can you now separate masala back from that Maggie, mixed Maggie? Really not now. Can we do so? Anybody? No, really, na. So that is chemically joined now. Can't be separated. But mixtures, they are physically mixed. They can be separated. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes, better. Yes, Sanchita. हाँ. Compound they are having a different separation method बेटा. They are having different chemical names you would find. Hmm? So they are having a different separation method. Mixtures they are easy to separate. But properties in the compound properties only change. Total property change हो जाती है. But in the mixture original properties will remains there. ठीक है ना. चलो बताओ जरा. टेल मी. सॉल्ट वाटर कैन बी सेपरेटेड बाय एवेपोरेशन, तो ये क्या है, कंपाउंड है या मिक्सचर है? सॉल्ट वाटर. Yes, yes, I want answers from all. I'm watching in the chat section. Do question answers. Salt water, all the three answers. The next question is iron is made of only one type of atom. Was it? What is it? Element या compound? And hydrogen and oxygen join to make new substance. Compound or mixture? I'm giving you all 1 minute. Just text it. Just post your answers. Everybody, fastly. Yes, बेटा. Very good. Yes, Sanchita, good. Sanchita is answering. Good. Who else? Okay, let's check the answer. Hmm. Yes. So the first one is a mixture bitter. Why? Because water will be separated and salt will be separated. The next one is a element. Iron is a element and water is actually a compound. ठीक है ना? Everybody get that? Hmm? So I hope you had enjoyed the session today, and everybody now get like what is matter, what it is made up of, and what are elements, compounds, elements, right? Anybody have any doubts? Yes, you can ask if you have doubts. Vishak, Anshika, Mohammed, Sanchita, anybody?
And parallelly, you can type it in the chat box. How was the demo?
Okay. Okay, beta. Nice to meet you all. I hope you had enjoyed the session. Bye bye, everyone.
So quickly type it in the chat box. How was the session? Let your mentor also get to know about it. Okay, very, 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 very good. My goodness. So that's great. You all like the session? Pretty well. Okay, it went great and the chapter was really well understood. That's very nice. Okay, so with this, now we'll take a leave and I hope you all have joined the regular classes. If not, then still you can just complete the payment process and you can join this course. Okay, so I'll be pasting links once again for your reference. And till then, bye bye everyone. We'll see you in the regular classes. Bye. Enjoy your day.